Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to come back to our Glenn Technology webpage, and you'll head over to Students, and you'll see I've made some changes. So now we have our Students page. We've got our social contract to remind you of how we are going to work together in this classroom. And we signed it. You should have signed it last week digitally by using our Google form. So now what you need to do is you need to scroll down and find your grade level. And depending on what grade level you are in, you'll go ahead and click. So if you're in third grade, you would click third. If you're in fourth, you would click fourth, of course, and fifth for fifth. So I'm going to click on third just to show you what I mean. And you will come to your page and your assignment is listed below. So we have two things we're going to do today. One, we're watching this video right now, but if you need to watch it again because you forget what you're supposed to do, we'll have a link to it right here. If you're ready to go ahead and get started, then you will click here to complete the assignment for today. When you click it, it'll open in a new tab, and it's going to ask you if you would like to make a copy of the September 25th to 29th Digital Etiquette Google Slideshow. And I want you to say yes, you want to make a copy, because what you're doing is you're taking my slideshow and you're making a copy so that it is now yours and you have your own copy of it, and you can mark on it and draw on it and write on it and do whatever you need to do. So you'll click make a copy. And when you do that, now it's in your Google Drive and it's your document. So what you'll do is you'll go through this kind of like you go through a worksheet in class. You'll read the directions, and anytime you see one of these speech bubbles, you need to complete the task. So then when you're finished reading the page, you'll go on to the next page, and you'll see this speech bubble says to click on the image to get the link to a video on digital netiquette. Watch the video. So you'll click on the image, just like it says, to get the link. And there's the link to the video. So when you click on that, it'll open the video, and you'll watch the video. And then when you're done with the video, you'll go back to your copy of the lesson so that you can go to the next page. And again, it says your directions are to type the definition of netiquette below. Watch the video again or use Google to help find your answer. So you should know after watching the video what netiquette means, but if you forget, you can watch the video again or go back to Google. And what you'll do is you'll just type your answer into the box, and you'll type in the definition. When you're finished with that, you'll go on to the next page, you'll read the directions, and you'll go all the way through each page until you get to the end. And then for your final steps, you're finished. And when you're finished, what I want you to try to do today is to make, this is an extra assignment for early finishers. You're going to use text, images, and shapes to tell us more about you and what you like to do. So basically, you're just going to make like a collage here all about you. So for example, you can see I made one. I put example up here so that you could see it's mine. And I just found some pictures from Google, and I added some text. I added my name, some things that I like to do. You're welcome to do whatever you want. This is your canvas, and you can make it look however you want. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And this is really designed to teach you two things. It's going to show you what you've learned so far about digital etiquette, and you'll also learn a little bit about Google Slides or Google Presentation so that later on in the semester or the year, you can make your own Google slide. All right, you can go ahead and get started whenever you're ready.